Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can select any niche with the help of AI, start creating videos out of that, and uploading content to social media platform to get started on YouTube or any other platform. Well, today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and do exactly that. I'm going to select a niche, for example, horror in my case. We're going to create some videos out of that, do a little bit of editing, and boom, at the end, our content would be ready to upload to any social media platform to get monetized. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright, so the first step to create the amazing AI cinematic horror film is you need to go ahead and get your idea first of all, right? So I'm going to go to ChatGPT for that. Start with very basic, very scratch, like I want to create a cinematic AI movie trailer. Give me some horror nun-themed doll idea. So this is the idea that I have in my mind. So I'm going to go along with that. So once ChatGPT provides you with the title, plot concept, visual style ideas. So from here, we're going to jump into our second step, which is create prompts for our AI text to image generation. Because first we'll be creating some images, then animate them later, right? So yeah, from here, we're going to go ahead and generate our prompts for text to image generation. So I've set ChatGPT, from the same chat. This is good. Now from these, create me series of prompt to create AI images in any image generator so that I can animate them later and create a proper cinematic movie trailer. And don't worry, you guys, if you want all these prompts, I'm going to go ahead and attach the link down in the description so you can go ahead and get started with the prompts right away, you guys, right? So yeah, from here, ChatGPT basically provided me the series of AI image prompts. First one, we have the whale. Then we have a long haunting hallway. Then we have first glimpse of the doll moves, shadow behind the doll. So all these prompts, you guys can see we have one thing similar in all of the prompts. Like all the prompts are starting from cinematic horror movie shot, because that's exactly is gonna help us to get that consistency in all the images, you guys, right? So yeah, from here, I'm gonna go ahead and take all these prompts that I have. And if you want all these prompts, obviously, again, you can go ahead and check the link in the description. I'll provide all the prompts for you to get started, right? So yeah, once you have all the prompts, so the next step is we need to go ahead and create images from the prompts with the help of any text to image AI generator tool. So you can obviously go ahead and use Midjourney, or you can use Krea AI, Ideogram, but for me, I'm going to go ahead and use this FlexClip, right? So in that, I'm going to jump into text to image generation model of FlexClip. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and provide each prompt one by one to FlexClip. Make sure the style you choose is cinematic, because that's exactly what we're looking for. The model needs to be ultra. Ratio, we are creating 16:9, landscape ratio ones. So yeah, from here, I'm going to click on generate. So yeah, for that, ChatGPT provided me with this scene. So this is our initial, like the first scene, which will be horror movie shot of an abandoned convent at night surrounded by dead trees. So this is the first scene, and you guys can see the images look really, really good. These look really promising. And the best part about this, the resolution of the image is really, really high quality, you guys, right? So from here, I'm going to go ahead and select my second prompt, paste into FlexClip AI. And from here, I'm going to click on generate. And for that, it provided me with these generations. You guys can see this was horror movie shot of a group of 3 filmmakers standing in front of a convent. So this would be like a story. First of all, the people, they will see a haunted house, they will go inside it, then they'll see the doll. That all the horror story is gonna begin, right? So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for all of the rest of my prompts. So once all of your images are ready, as you guys can see right over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and download my most favorite one, the best one that I like the most, you guys, right? Alright, so as you guys can see, here are all of my favorite images that I made with FlexClip. So from here, what is the fourth step? So now we have to basically go ahead and create, like animate these images into videos, you guys, right? So for that, we're going to go ahead and use none other than Hailuo AI, the best in class. We're going to jump into the image to video section of that. And one by one, I'm going to go ahead and input my image right over here. Like this is my first image. Like as you guys saw before, this was my initial scene. And from here in the prompt box, I'll be very precise. I'm going to go ahead and say cinematic horror shot camera zooming, right? Because obviously you guys know in horror films there are lots of camera movements going on, like in zoom in effect, zoom out effect, panning effect. So yeah, that's exactly I'm going to do in my horror film. So yeah, I'm going to provide these prompts in all of my generations. Let's just generate this first of all. Alright, so for that, it provided me with this result. You guys can see this looks really, really good. Like very beautifully how it's zooming in and going towards our horror scene. And this looks really, really good. And now I basically went ahead and animate all of the rest of my scenes. Like this is my second scenes, and the camera motion in that looks really, really good. Then we have this third scene of a cinematic horror movie shot slide camera animation. So this is the doll scene. Then we have another horror ghost scene. You guys can see this one is looking absolutely perfect too. Similarly, we have another scene, and this is my most favorite shot. It looks very, very realistic, as you guys can see, right? So yeah, from here, once all of my generations are done, I'm gonna download every single one of them one by one. So yeah, now you guys can see I have all my generations over here as well. So yeah, now what's our next step? Now we have to basically get some sound effects or background music for our AI horror teaser or movie. So for that, we're gonna jump to Pixabay, the best in class, and in Pixabay, we're gonna search for horror trailer background music, and for that, it's gonna provide you with various options. You can select the best one you like the most. So I'm gonna select this first one, darkness horror trailer. And once all of my generations are done, so now our last step would be editing, you guys, right? We have to basically compile everything together. We have to add our scenes, background music, just place everything where you like the most. So yeah, after you're done, this is how your timeline is gonna look like in any of your favorite video editors. So from here, I'm gonna simply export this. Make sure your quality is the best one. And now after exporting, this is how your video is gonna look like. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to pick a niche and just get started with that. You can choose any horror, funny, like any kind of adventurous niche that you like, and start uploading on YouTube, different platforms. And in no time, this is the most trending one. You'll get views out of nowhere and get your channel started. You can monetize your channel and earn lots of money. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.